Hafizia. My father's name is Shahidul Islam and my mother's name is Asma. Today I will talk about my madrasa. The name of my madrasa is Jannatul Firdaus Talimul Quran Hafizia Madrasa. I read in class 3 of this madrasa. My madrasa is located 5th floor building of Chotapul. There are total 7 teachers in our madrasa. The name of the Muhtamim of my madrasa is Hafiz Ibrahim Rasul. In this madrasa we have a beautiful and pleasant environment. The teachers teach us in their beautiful language besides Arabic education. We are also getting various technical education including Bengali, Math, English beside. We are taught various Islamic new curriculum including Qirat, Mus'haf, Hamnat, etc. No more today. Finally, I would like to say that Jannatul Firdaus Talimul Quran Hafizia Madrasa is continuing its effort to educate students in modern education in keeping with the present. If you want to educate your children in modern education and Islamic education, give them the opportunity to teach in Jannatul Firdaus